Hi friends, this is Parag. Welcome to Paragems Decoder. I hope you all are safe and healthy. Let's start the new session list in Python programming. If you want to represent a group of individual objects where insertion order need to be preserved and the duplicates are allowed, then we should go for the list. This is one example 1 2 3 4 4 3 2 1. We can see here the duplicates are allowed in list. PQRS, these are the strings defined inside the list, separated with commas. And in third example, you can see heterogeneous objects because 1 and 2 are the ints, P, Q, and paragems. These are the strings which contain the alphabets separated by comma. These are given in the square brackets, as you can see here. Okay, what are the features? Insertion order is preserved. Means the first, second, third element which is inserted inside the list, this order is preserved. Duplicates are allowed. Means we have seen that in above example there are duplicate 1 2 3 4 we have kept in the list, that those are allowed in the list. Heterogeneous or the dissimilar element are allowed, as we have seen the int value means numbers 1 2 3 1 2 etc, and the different strings, they can form list together. Data structure is very dynamic. We can change as per our need, and it is mutable. Means we can change the elements inside the lists. And indexing is allowed. Means first, second, third positioning we can index inside the list. So let's start. Suppose I have given here one list we have created. See, in square bracket, according to the syntax, we have created here lst1 is the variable assignment with the equal to sign. Inside the square bracket we have put here 1 separated by comma, 2 separated by comma. Then p is defined inside these quotes. Then q is defined inside these quotes, comma, and paragems. List bracket square bracket is completed. Now here we call the list. Let me restart this total output. Okay, so we run this cell. Now we will call this list in this second cell, so we get this list. Okay, again, what is the syntax? We can create empty list object as follows. So here list object is given is equal to this the square bracket we have given. So in this way we can form the empty list. When we will print this list, see, we got this list here. Okay, with this print statement we get this list here. Now we will call this statement the print the type of list. See, comment out this line. We will comment above print statement. We comment this statement. Now we will run. See here, we have written print, then parenthesis given, inside this parenthesis we give the type function. Inside this type functions parenthesis we give the list. See, okay, type of this list, what is this? So it will give us class list. So with the syntax of this we can create empty list object with this syntax. Okay, keep in mind, this will be useful in the future. Then next, see, creating list. List is equal to 10, 20, 30, 40. List is equal to 10, 20, 30, 40. In this way we can create any list. Okay, inside square bracket we have given all the numbers, so form the list. Suppose we will call this LST. We will get this list. Okay, now adding the elements. How we can add the element into the list? See, here we have created the list. Now plus equal to sign is given. Inside list we have defined the a inside the inverted comma, then this comma, then 100, square bracket complete. And we know, we have seen already that this formula, you must remember this plus equal to sign is nothing but this a is equal to a plus 1. And adding the element in itself is that a plus equal to 1. Okay, so what will is written out? We will assign this value. After that we will call this list. See, LST, what we got? 10, 20, 30, 40, 100. See, because previously list is we created here. See, this list, inside this list 10, 20, 30, 40. Okay, so these are the 10, 20, 30, 40. After that we plus equal a and 100 into list, which is added here. Okay, in this way the elements are added into the list. Okay, again we have added here some tuple. See, what is the list we have now? We have this list now, 20, 20, 30, 40, 100. Now what we had done here, into this list plus equal, inside list we given this tuple. See, what will return this? 10, 20, 30, 40, 100, which is from this LST. And after that we have added in this row this tuple into list, so this tuple also came into list, M and O. Okay, and in the this parenthesis or curved brackets we got this M and O. Okay, we will see also these tuples in next session in detail. Okay, data type, the basics of data types we have seen previously in short, but in detail we will discuss this tuple in detail again. Okay, so next we will see the indexing in the list LST1. Now see what is there in LST now. These many elements we have in the LST, right? Now after indexing what we will get, suppose we give the LST square bracket 1. Okay, like LST, suppose this square bracket, and suppose we give 3. So what will be the element? As we know, the indexing starts from the 0, 1, 2, 3. So third element will be 40. Right? See, this 40 come here. Now we will see the sixth element we will see now. First, 0th, first, second, third, fourth, fifth, and this sixth element is the tuple. Okay, don't get confused. 0, first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth is not only m. This will be not only m. This will be complete this tuple, which is at the sixth position. Let's run this cell. LST is equal to 6. You will come to understand. See, at the sixth position we have this tuple. Now what is the negative indexing? As we have seen previously also, LST of -1 if we will give, we'll get the negative indexing. What is the -1 position here? This is the -1 position where the tuple is given. This is first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth. Okay, so here come again tuple. See, -1. Let's change. We'll do the -2. Let's see, we have done here -2. So what will come? 100. See, -2 position, 100. First position tuple, -2 position, 100. -1, -2. Okay, this 100. Now see the accessing the value. Let me show what is inside the list. These many values are inside the list now. Suppose we have to access the sixth and of which first element. Okay, LST square bracket 6 square bracket 1. So what we will get? From the sixth element we want to find, we want to get first element. So this is 0, this is first. Let's see, and this is 0th in the sixth, and this is 1. Okay, again we will change LST square bracket in sixth element, again square bracket. Suppose we have to find the 0th element, 0th inside the sixth. So in this way we will access the value of m. Okay, let's run this. Let's run this code. Now we got m. Okay, in this way. Suppose in -1, -2, can you tell me? In this -1, -2 means what we will get? This is the list. We want -1 of -2, means -1 position is this tuple, and inside this -2 position, -1 is the O, -2 is the N, -3 is the M. Keep in mind while coming back with these values, keep in mind while coming back of these values, see this M and O, when we come back with reverse, this is -1, this -2, this -3. So -2 will be N definitely. See, we got here N. Okay, this N. What will the value of -3? Suppose I give here -3. See here, we will give list of -1 -3, this. So this will give us the M. Okay, because complete list is this. I hope you are understanding this well. Inside this list, -1 is menu in this bracket, and -3, this bracket will be, tell me, this -3, see, this -3, this complete bracket is -1, and inside this bracket -3 will be this M. Okay, I hope you are understanding this. Okay, let's run this. So this we got M. Okay, in this way accessing the values in list.